Hey, it's Andy Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look here at shared access signatures. So, SAS is a URL that grants restricted access rights to Azure storage. You can share the URI to grant client temporary access to specific set of permissions. So, you have a few different types of access signatures. So, account level SaaS, so access to resources in one or more of the storage services. Service level SaaS, so access to the single storage account by using the storage account key. User delegated SaaS. These are access to storage accounts using Azure AD credentials, limited only to blob and containers. Microsoft considers this method the best practice for accessing via the SaaS, so you use that one if that's the case. A shared access signature comes in different formats. So you have ad hoc SaaS, the start time, expiry time, permissions are part of the URI. Any type of SaaS can be an ad hoc SaaS. Then you have service SaaS with stored access policies. A stored access policy is defined on a resource container limited to the blob container, table, queues, or file shares. The stored access policy can be associated to multiple SaaS to manage constraints. I know all these options seem really confusing, but that's just what it is. It's a lot more clear when you use it because you're just checkboxing stuff, right? So the URI format itself is the blob URI. Then there's the version number, the start time, the expiration, the storage resources, the permissions, the signature. They're not going to ask you to identify this stuff on the exam. I'm just showing you the structure of it because it's a really long string and it's good to know what it looks like. And yeah, this is all those checkboxes I'm talking about. So you just go in here and you say, I want to generate out an SAS. And you say, what do I want it for? What are the resource types? What is the allowed permissions? What's the time frame? What protocol do I want? Do I want to allow particular IPs? You have your signing key and you generate it. And it's that simple.